Next result is for 0 less than or equal to result, one more important result. For 0 less than or equal to r, s less than or equal to n, if NCR is equal to NCS, then either if NCR is equal to NCS, then either R is equal to S or R plus S is equal to N. R plus S is equal to N. That is, either S is equal to R or R is equal to S or S is equal to R. R plus S is equal to N or S is equal to N minus R. This is the very important result. Now we are doing one theorem. This is also very important theorem. Very important theorem. If 1 less than or equal to or less than or equal to n, then NCR minus 1 plus NCR is equal to n plus 1 CR. n plus 1 CR. NCR minus 1 plus NCR is equal to n plus 1 CR. Next, proof. Let us prove. We know that NCR is equal to n factorial by r factorial into n minus r factorial. Here we are using this result. NCR is, by the definition, NCR is n factorial by r factorial into n minus r factorial. Take down LHS. LHS is NCR minus 1 plus NCR. By using this result, NCR minus 1 is n factorial by r minus 1 factorial into n minus of r minus 1 factorial plus NCR is same, n factorial by r factorial into n minus r factorial. Next, n both the terms having n factorial, taking outside. So this is 1 by r minus 1 factorial into n minus into r minus r minus into minus plus 1 factorial plus n factorial by r factorial into n minus r factorial. Solving this is equal to n factorial. Here we are multiplying both the numerator and denominator with r. Take r by r into r minus 1 factorial into n minus r plus 1 factorial. Plus, here we are multiplying both the numerator and denominator. So here n minus n factorial we have taken outside. So this is only 1. So this is 1 we have taken outside. Okay, next 1. Here multiplying both the numerator and denominator by n minus r plus 1 by r factorial into n minus r plus 1 into n minus r factorial. This is equal to n factorial into r by r into r minus factorial can be written as r factorial n minus r plus 1 factorial plus n minus r plus 1 by r factorial n minus r plus 1 into n minus r factorial. N minus r plus 1 minus 1 is plus 1 minus 1 will be cancelled, n minus r. So this is the n minus r factorial. Both the terms having the same denominator. So the LCM is r factorial into n minus r plus 1 factorial. So the numerator is r plus n minus r plus 1. Here plus r minus r will be cancelled. So next, this is n factorial into, this is equal to n factorial into n minus r, n plus 1. n factorial into remaining values n plus 1 by r factorial into n minus r plus 1 factorial. Next, n plus 1 into n factorial is nothing but n plus 1 factorial. n plus 1 factorial by r factorial into n minus r plus 1 factorial. By using the result, NCR is n factorial by r factorial into n minus r factorial. Here n plus 1 factorial by r factorial into n minus of r minus 1 outundi kabatti this is n plus 1 CR. n plus 1 CR. This is nothing but n plus 1 CR. So our theorem proved. Our theorem is proved. What is the result? NCR minus 1 plus NCR is equal to n plus 1 CR. n plus 1 CR. NCR minus 1 plus NCR is equal n plus 1 CR. This is the very important result, and theorem is also very important. Next, let us do some problems. First problem, fifth one. If NC4 is equal to NC6, find n. If NC4 is equal to NC6, find n. We know that if NCR is equal to NCS, NCR is equal to NCS. We have learned NCR is equal to NCS, then R is equal to S, or R plus S is equal to N. R is equal to S or R plus S is equal to N. We can use either R is equal to S or R plus S is equal to N. ఏది యూజ్ అయితే సింపుల్గా చేయడానికి ఏది యూజ్ అవుతే దాన్ని అప్లై చేస్తాము. హియర్ గివెన్ దట్ NC4 is equal to NC6. Given that NC4 is equal to NC6, find N. We have to find N. So now we have to use this result. And then N is equal to R plus S. N is equal to R plus S. In this result, we are using R plus S is equal to N. N is equal to R plus S. Here R is 4, S is 6. So 4 plus 6. 4 plus 6 is equal to 10. So therefore the value of N is 10. Next, try yourself some problems. Try yourself. Sixth problem. If 15C R minus 1 is equal to 15C to R plus 4, find R. Find R. Here also you can use same result. N is equal to R plus S. N is equal to R plus S. And 15 is equal to 2R minus 1 plus 2R plus 4. 2R plus 2R is 4R. Minus 1 plus 4 is plus 3. Plus 3 transposing this side 18. So you can find the value of R value. Same result. You can use the N is equal to R plus S. Next, seventh problem. If 17C2T plus 1 is equal to 17C 3T minus 1. Here plus 3 transposing this side, that becomes minus 3. 15 minus 3 is 12. And that is 12 is equal to 4R. Then R is equal to 12 by 4. 4 3s are 12. You can do clearly. Okay, here if 17C 2T plus 1 is equal to 17C 3T minus 5. Find R. Find R. Here also you can take N is equal to R plus S or R is equal to S. R is equal to S. తీసుకున్నా కూడా you can get the result. R is equal to S తీసుకుంటే 2T plus 1 is equal to 3T minus 5. 2T plus 1 is equal to 3T minus 5 plus 2T turns to that side, that becomes 3T minus 2T. Here 1 minus 5 transposing this side, that becomes plus 5. and t is equal 6. Okay, next problem. In the same process, next one more problem you have to do. If 12c or plus 1 is equal 12c 3r minus 5, find r. The next 9th question. If 9c3 is plus 9c5, and if 12c s plus 1 is equal 12c 2s minus 5. This problem also have to do. Next, write down the next problem. If 9c3 plus 9c5 is equal 10cr, then find r. Here, given that 9c3 plus 9c5 is equal 10cr. Given that 9c3 plus 9c5 is equal 10cr. Here we are using NCR is NCn minus r. Here we are using the result NCR is equal NCn minus r. NCR is equal NCn minus r. Now 9c3 plus 9c5 can be written as 9c9 minus 5 is equal 10cr. 9c3 plus 9c 9 minus 5 is 4 is equal 10cr. Next, one more result. In the theorem system, what is the theorem? NCr minus 1 plus NCr is equal to n plus 1 cr. NCr minus 1 plus NCr is equal to n plus 1 cr. By using this result, here the n is 9, r is 4. And then the result is n plus 1 cr. And then this can be written as 9 plus 1 c4 is equal to 10 cr. 9 plus 1 is 10. 10c4 is equal to 10c, here the value of r, 10cr. Comparing two terms, to LHS is equal to RHS, therefore r is equal to 4. Comparing LHS and RHS, we can get the value of r is equal to 4. So this is very easy problem. Next, try yourself. One more problem. Try yourself. If NC5 is equal to NC6, find 13Cn. NC5 is equal to NC6, find 13Cn. We know that the result NCr is equal to, if NCr is equal to NCs, then r is equal to s, r plus s is equal to n. You have to take this result here. N is equal, r plus s means 5 plus s. 5 plus 6, that is equal 11. So you have to find 13C11. 13C11. Easy. This is in the form of NCR. So NCR, you know the result. N factorial by r factorial into n minus r factorial. The result applies, you can find 13C11. Next, try one more question. Prove that 10C3 plus 10C6 is equal 11C4. Prove that 10C3 plus 10C6 is equal 11C4. ఇందాక చేసిన ప్రాబ్లం లాగే సేమ్ చేసుకుంటూ రండి. 10C3 plus 10C6 can be written by using this NCr is equal to NCn minus r. అంటే 10 minus 6 తీసుకుంటే that is 10C3 plus 10 minus 6 is 4. And here you have to use this result. NCr minus 1 plus NCr is equal to n plus 1 cr. So that is equal 10 plus 1 is 11, 11c4. 2 చేసేయచ్చు. Okay. Next question. This is also very important question. Write down. prove that for 3 less than or equal to or less than n minus 3 CR plus 3 into n minus 3 CR minus 1 plus 3 into n minus 3 Cn minus 2 plus n plus 3 CR minus 3 is equal NCR. That is equal NCR. First we have to take LHS. LHS is n minus 3 CR plus 3 into n minus 3 CR minus 1 plus 3 into n minus 3 Cn minus 2 plus n plus 3 CR minus 3. This is the LHS. N minus 3 CR, okay, plus 3 into n minus 3 CR minus 2. These two terms we are splitting into two values. 3 can be written as 1 plus 2. So this is 1 into n minus 3 CR minus 1 plus 2 into n minus 3 CR minus 1. Adding these two values you can get again this result. So plus here also same process is same. N minus 3 Cn minus 2 plus 2 into n minus 3 Cn minus 2 plus n plus 3 CR minus 3. This is n minus 3. Here we are using NCR. Here we are using one result. NCR plus NCR minus 1. In the case of that result is n plus 1 CR. Here we are using this result. NCR plus NCR minus 1 is equal to n plus 1 CR. So first two terms ki dini use cheste. First two terms ki result use cheste. n plus 1 ante n minus 3 plus 1 C or here the value or plus these two terms having 2. So taking outside 2 into n minus 3 CR minus 1 plus n minus 3 CR minus 2. This is R minus 2, not N. Sorry, R minus 2 plus last value n plus 3 CR minus 3. This is n minus 3 plus 1. This is minus 2 CR plus 2. Here also same result. We are using same result. N minus 3 plus 1 C. Here what is the value of R? R is nothing but R minus 1. The one value is R, one is R minus 1. R minus 1 minus 1 is R minus 2. So n minus 3 plus 1 C R minus 1 plus n plus 3 sorry, here one more value, 1 n minus 3, here one more value, sorry I missed one term here. Two terms నుంచి 2 కామన్ తీసాము. నెక్స్ట్ వాల్యూస్ n minus 3 C R minus 2 plus here n minus 3 C R minus 3 or minus 3. Here not plus, sorry, not plus, here this is the minus 3. This is the n minus 3. this is the n minus 3. N minus 3 C or minus 3. So here also using the same result, n minus 3 plus 1 C or minus 2. So this is n minus 2 C or plus 2 into, this value is n minus 3 plus 1 is minus 2 C or minus 1 plus, here also minus 3 plus 1 is minus 2 C or minus 2. This is n minus 2 C or plus, next denote 2 into n minus 2 C or minus 2 ni n minus 2 C or minus 1 plus n minus 2 C or minus 1 2 terms lo split chestunnam plus n minus 2 C or minus 2. Again you have to take the same result. First two terms one pair, last two terms one pair. Then here this result becomes n minus 2 plus 1 C or plus, here also n minus 2 plus 1 C or minus 1. N minus 2 plus 1 is n minus 1 C or plus n minus 1 C or minus 1. Again you have to use the same result. This becomes n minus 1 plus 1 C or. Plus 1 minus 1 will be cancelled. This is equal NC or. Okay. Here, this is the important problem. Given that NC n minus 3 C or plus 3 into దీన్ని 3 ని 1 plus 2 అని తీసుకుందాం. 1 plus 2. 1 plus 2 is 3. This term is also. Here we are using NCR plus NCR minus 1 is n plus 1 CR. దీన్ని అప్లై చేస్తే ఇక్కడ n minus 3 plus 1 is n minus 2 CR. అంటే మిగిలినవి కూడా. Okay. Next you can do one problem. Okay, by using this. Same ఇదే ప్రాసెస్ అప్లై చేసి, సేమ్ ఇదే ప్రాసెస్ తీయడం లాగే ట్రై యువర్ సెల్ఫ్. One problem. Find the value of 10C5 plus 2 into 10C4 plus 10C3. Same ilage. First you have to take the given values. 10C5 plus 2 into 10C4 plus 10C3. Next 10C4 ni 10C4 plus 10C4 రాస్తుంది. 10C4 plus 10C4. The two terms one pair, these two terms one pair. This one is complete చేసేయండి. Next question. This is also important. Simplify 34C5 plus sigma r is equal 0 to 4, 38 minus r C4. Here first LH is we are taking 34C5 plus sigma r is equal 0 to 4, 38 minus r C4 is 34C5. Sigma means summation value, sum of the values. Here we are taking r is 0 to 4 and 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. We have to substitute in the top. First we are taking 0. 38 minus 0 is 38. C4. Sigma to sum of the values plus. Now we are substituting r is equal 1. 38 minus 1. 37 C4. Next 2. 38 minus 2. 36 C4. Next 3. 38 minus 3. 35 C4. Next 4. 38 minus 4. 34 C4. is equal, first I am taking 38C4 plus 37C4 plus 36C4 plus 35C4 plus 34C4 plus the first term I am writing here 34C5 because of for convenience. Here the result ఇందాక యూజ్ చేసాం కదా NCR plus NCR minus 1 is equal to N plus 1 CR. Throughout the problem you have to use this result. Okay, first 38C4 plus 37C4 plus 36C4 plus 35C4, two last two terms you are applying this formula, plus N plus 1 and 34 plus 1, that is 35C or here the value of R, highest value is 5, so 35C5. 35C4 plus 37C5 plus 4 plus 36C4 plus, again we are taking last two terms. Now 35 plus 1, that is 36, highest value is 5, 36C5. Again by taking last two terms, 38C4 plus 37C4, again we are using last two terms, plus 36 plus 1 is 37C5. 38C4, again last two terms, 37 plus 1 is 38C5. Again same result, 38 plus 1 is 39C5. This is our result. Okay, by using this method you have to prove one more problem. Try yourself. Prove that 25C4 plus sigma R is equal 0 to 4, 29 minus R C3 is equal 30C4. ఇక్కడ రిజల్ట్ కూడా ఇచ్చేసినారు 30C4. You have to prove this result. మీరు హోంవర్క్ చేశారంటే మీకు ఈజీగా మ్యాథ్స్ అనేది వస్తుంది. మ్యాథ్స్ చాలా ఈజీ సబ్జెక్ట్. ఎప్పుడవుతుంది మీరు ప్రాక్టీస్ నీట్గా చేస్తే మ్యాథ్స్ ఇస్ ద వెరీ వెరీ ఈజీ సబ్జెక్ట్. సో ఖచ్చితంగా హోంవర్క్ ఇచ్చినవి కంప్లీట్ చేయండి. అక్కడ ముందు చెప్పిన ప్రాబ్లం లాగే అదే ప్రాసెస్లో ఉన్నవే మీకు హోంవర్క్ ఇస్తున్నది కాబట్టి కంప్లీట్ చేస్తేనే, ప్రాక్టీస్ చేస్తేనే మ్యాథ్స్ ఈజీగా వస్తుంది. So next, write down the next question. This is also very very important question for IPE. Prove that 4nC2n by 2nCn is equal 1, 3, 5 up to 4n minus 1 by 1, 3, 5 up to 2n minus 1 whole square. Here we are using simple NCR formula. What is the NCR? N factorial by R factorial into n minus R factorial. Here we are using this result. NCR is n factorial by R factorial into n minus R factorial. First you have to take the LHS value. 4nC2n by 2nCn. By using this result, this can be written as 4n factorial by 2n factorial into 4n minus 2n factorial by 2nCn. That is 2n factorial by n factorial into 2n minus n factorial. This is equal 4n factorial by this is 4n factorial by numerator. 2n factorial into 4n minus 2n is also 2n factorial into చేస్తామంటే denominator becomes n factorial into 2n minus 1 is n factorial by 2n factorial. We know that 4n factorial can be written as 4n into 4n minus 1, 4n minus 2, 4n minus 3 up to 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 by 2n factorial into 2n factorial, that is nothing but 2n factorial whole square. 2n factorial whole square into n factorial into n factorial is also n factorial whole square by 2n factorial. Here 4n into 4n minus 1 in even terms, separating even and odd terms. First even terms తీసుకున్నామంటే 4n minus 1 into 4n minus 3 into up to 3 into 1. Next these are the odd terms. These are the odd terms. 4n minus 1, 4n minus 3 up to 3 into 1. Next we are taking even terms. 4n into 4n minus 2 into 4n minus 4 up to 4 into 2. We are separating even and odd terms. By 2n factorial can be written as 2n into 2n minus 1 into 2n minus 2 into up to 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 whole square. No change in the last n factorial whole square by 2n factorial. దీన్ని ఇలాగే ఉంచేసాము. నెక్స్ట్ is equal to 4n minus 1, 4n minus 3 up to 3 into 1. దీన్ని ఏం చేయట్లేదు, మనకి రిజల్ట్లో ఈ వాల్యూనే వస్తుంది. నెక్స్ట్ హియర్ 4 can be written as 2 into 2 n and all are even numbers, so we are taking 2 outside. Even number means exactly divisible by 2, so 2 common this ante this is 2n minus 1 up to 4 can be written as 2 into 2. 2 into 2. 2 can be written as 2 into 1 by, here also I am separating odd terms, 2n minus 1, 2n minus 3 up to 3 into 1 whole square. Next 2n into 2n minus 2, 2n minus 4 up to 4 into 2 whole square into n factorial whole square by 2n factorial. Next 4n minus 1, 4n minus 3 up to 3 into 1. Here 2 values, 2 into 2 into up to 2n times. So this can be written as 2 power 2n. 2 power 2n. Remaining values 2n into 2n minus 1, 2n minus 2 up to 2 into 1 by this value 2n minus 1 into 2n minus 3 up to 3 into 1 whole square. Here also we are taking 2. 2n into 2 common this value is n minus 1. Next value is 2 into n minus 2 like that. This is equal 4 can be written as 2 into 2. 2 can be written as 2 into 1 whole square into n factorial whole square by 2n factorial. Is equal 4n minus 1, 4n minus 3 up to 3 into 1, 2 power 2n. This is 2n, 2 into 2n minus 1 into 2n minus 2 up to 3 into 2 into 1 is, this is nothing but 2n factorial by 2n minus 1 into 2n minus 3 into up to 3 into 1 whole square. This is also, this is n into n minus 1 అట్లా ఉన్నది. So 2 power n whole square. 2 power n whole square is nothing but 2n. 2 power 2n into n factorial whole square into n factorial whole square by 2n factorial. Here 2n factorial will be cancelled, n factorial square will be cancelled, 2 power 2n will be cancelled. So remaining value 4n minus 1 into 4n minus 3 up to 3 into 1 by 2n minus 1, 2n minus 3 up to 3 into 1 whole square. This is our result. Okay. Thank you.